How to use compressor in AudioMass. First of all, open your audio file by either clicking on File and selecting Load from Computer or simply dragging and dropping the audio directly into the AudioMass. Next, select a portion of the audio you want to compress by clicking and dragging over the waveform, or if you want to compress the entire track, just make sure nothing is selected. After that, go to the Effects menu at the top and find the Compressor option. Once you open the compressor, you will see several controls like threshold, knee, ratio, attack, and release. The threshold slider ranges from -100 to 0. This sets the volume level. Where compression begins, audio above this point gets reduced. The knee slider ranges from 0 to 40. This controls how gradually the compression starts near the threshold. Lower values mean a sharper transition, while higher values create a smoother, more natural sound. The ratio slider ranges from 1 to 20. This decides how much the volume is reduced once it goes over the threshold. A ratio of 4, for example, means for every 4 dB over, only 1 dB will come through. The attack slider ranges from 0 to 1. This sets how quickly the compressor kicks in after the threshold is crossed. A lower value means an immediate response. The release slider also ranges from 0 to 1. This determines how fast the compressor stops working after the audio drops back below the threshold. While playing your audio, try adjusting these sliders in real time to hear how each one affects your sound. When you are happy with the result, click Apply to finalize the changes. Lastly, go to File and select Export to save your compressed audio file. And that's it. Now you know how to use compressor in AudioMass. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.